Hi, I'm Beck and Food's My Life. In today's video, I'm going to be making the best peanut butter cookies ever, and it's coming right up. So today I'm recording my mother's all-time classic recipe for peanut butter cookies. When I think peanut butter cookies, I think classic homely recipe, you know, like they've just come out of the oven, they're still slightly warm, you're having a cup of tea, sitting down with the people you love. There's nothing better. You know, I'm not a peanut butter fan when it comes to peanut butter on its own, but you mix peanut butter in your baking with sweet, with sugar, with chocolate, geez, it comes to life, and it is such a flavor sensation. These peanut butter cookies not only taste good, but the texture is just right too, because I use a stack of crunchy roasted peanuts. So anyway, let's get started. Let's stop talking, let's cook. Okay, so the first thing you need to know is I have my oven preheating at 180 degrees Celsius. I've got a little grippy mat here for my bowl, and in my large mixing bowl I have some butter. We're going to cream this butter with some sugars, and in here I've got some brown sugar and some caster sugar. So a bit of both, pop them in, and we're going to cream that till it's light in colour, really soft and creamy. Okay, the mixture is nice and light and fluffy now. So what we're going to do is, at this point, we're going to add in some peanut butter. I'm going to use smooth peanut butter because my crunchy texture is going to come in later with the nuts that I have chopped and roasted. Also, I want to say at this stage, be careful what peanut butter you choose, because usually I'm a big fan of the 100% natural peanut butters. They're the ones that I buy from my grocery store. But when it comes to baking, I'm going to use the commercial kind of brand because I don't want to use a peanut butter that's too oily. So if you're like me, you usually buy the healthier brands. Maybe not for your baking. I mean, we're baking, we're not being healthy anyway. So I'm just, combining the peanut butter in here with my creamed butter and sugars, just until it comes together, not too much. Once you see the peanut butter has been incorporated, then it's time to add 1 egg. And of course, my all-time favorite ingredient, is vanilla extract, because vanilla makes everything taste better. So a good generous teaspoon of that. And then again, we're going to use our spatula to just combine these ingredients so that they come together. Okay, now that that's come together, it's time to add the dry ingredients. Now I have pre-sifted these. I have some bicarb soda and some salt. And in this bowl, I have some plain flour. Also sifted, always sifted. Okay, we're going to just fold these in now to make our cookie dough. Okay, once that dough has come together, final step is to add some of your lovely crunchy peanuts. These are unsalted roasted peanuts, and I have chopped them a little bit, just so they're not too big in size. Just fold them in, and then we are done with the dough. Okay, so here comes the fun bit. This is where we get to roll the dough into little balls, which become our cookies. Now, how big you want to make your cookies is up to you. I think there's something really lovely about having small little cookies, but there's no reason why you can't have big ones. Just make sure that they are about 3 centimeters apart on your baking trays. I've got 2 prepared here, that should be enough. And then once you've done that, we're going to do the final touch, which is the traditional peanut butter cookie kind of stamp, if you like. You get your fork and you gently press down on your cookie one way, and then crisscross. I'm going to go the other way. Now, it's not a real peanut butter cookie unless it's got the crisscross stamp. So off you go and do that. So once you've done that, we're going to bake these little babies in the oven for about 15 to 18 minutes, or until they're nicely browned on the edges. And then we're just going to let them cool completely on a cooling rack. That's the hardest bit, because I know you just want to dive in and eat them, but we've got to wait till they're cool so they can crisp up. Well, I really wish you could smell my house right now, because it smells just divine. I've got 27 beautiful little cookies here, and I've got another 9 in the oven. So this, recipe does make quite a few little biscuits. I guess it's time for me to taste, if I have to. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is so good. That is so short and sweet and moreish and crunchy. I really need a cup of tea now. I'm gonna finish this off quickly because I'm gonna enjoy this with a cup of tea. There's no other way to do it. If you guys want to make my mum's classic peanut butter cookies, which you all should, then please just check out the description box below, because there you'll find a link to my website. Once you're there, find the recipe. $1 on credit card or PayPal. It is going to be the best dollar you have ever spent. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe, because that way you'll always know what I'm up to in the kitchen. And I'll see you next time.